Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add Breadcrumbs Elementor. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, you'll need to install and activate the plugin called Ultimate Add-ons for Elementor. To get started, head to your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand side menu, hover over Plugins and then click on Add New. In the search bar on the right, type Ultimate Add-ons for Elementor. Once you see the plugin, click on the Install Now button, followed by Activate to make it active on your site. This plugin is acclaimed for its user-friendly widgets, significantly broadening Elementor's already impressive capabilities. Once the plugin is activated, it's time to integrate breadcrumbs into your page. Open the page where you want these breadcrumbs using the Elementor editor. You can do this by clicking Edit with Elementor that typically appears on the page or post you wish to modify. Once you're in the Elementor editor, you'll see a panel on the left that houses various widgets, which are essentially the building blocks of your pages. Now, scroll down or search to find Ultimate Add-ons in the widget panel. The Breadcrumbs widget is part of this collection. Click on the widget title, hold down, and drag it over to your page layout. Place it exactly where you want your breadcrumbs to appear, typically at the top of your page, just below the header. This straightforward action allows you to visually organize content paths for your users effectively. And that's it. So that is how you can add Breadcrumbs Elementor. So that's all for this video. Thanks.